You will love the features of this 2021 Toyota 4RUNNER. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this iconic 4RUNNER, the serious four-wheel drive SUV that's built for off-roading. It answers your call for adventure with a choice of driving modes to maximize traction, convenience features like power rear glass, backup camera, 8 airbag safety tech, and options like third-row seating and premium interior upgrades. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, Wi-Fi hotspot. The hard-working 4RUNNER won't last long. Why not treat yourself to a test drive? Our knowledgeable staff will make it fun, relaxing, and informative. Come on in. We look forward to meeting you.